Multiply 380 by 12 using long multiplication. Start with the ones digit, 2. 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 8 is 16. Put 6 in this column and carry 1. 2 times 3 plus the carried 1 is 7. The first partial product is 760. Now use the tens digit, 1. Start one place to the left. 1 times 0 is 0. 1 times 8 is 8. 1 times 3 is 3. The second partial product is 3,800. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. In the ones column, 0 plus 0 is 0. In the tens column, 6 plus 0 is 6. In the hundreds column, 7 plus 8 is 15. Put 5 in this column and carry 1. In the thousands column, 3 plus the carried 1 is 4. The whole negative number product is 4,560. So 380 times 12 is 4,560.